Look, YouTube, I just got a big ass engine and I need some help putting it on my mini bike, but obviously this don't fit. Too big, so I don't know. This don't fit on there. So what size do I need? And this came off this little ass engine right here with this little ass piece right here. I don't know what size that is, but they got already small. So that fits on there. Whatever, but it fits on there. And so what size is this? So I can put it on my mini bike. Y'all gotta let me know. I need some help. YouTube, please leave comments, views, whatever. I really want to get this engine that came so fast from Amazon. It's a pretty nice fucking big ass engine. Everybody said it's too big to go in here, but it actually fits completely in there. So I need some help trying to figure out what size this is so I can buy another one and put it on the front of this and probably get that chain adjusted. But that'll be it. And yeah, see what we can do. Alright? Yep. Let me know. Please let me know. Subscribe, comment, leave some views. Please let me know. I see a lot of people in here with the mini bikes and everything. And I'm just starting out, whatever. Hey, puppy. What you doing out here? And I really want to get this engine in here. I was going to go to the shop and just tell them to just go ahead and put it in there. However, make it work. They got to buy another one of these, buy another one of them. Just let me know how much it's going to charge. Or, like me, it was my project. I want to do it. So, I got to figure out what size this thing is. So, yeah, help me out.